Folks, we're back with a one owner, 42 dealer service record, 2015 Jeep Cherokee Latitude Edition. And she's loaded up. Got the heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual exhaust, V6, 4x4, sport alloys, luggage rack, privacy glass. Got this touch tone screen with digital climate control. Auxiliary line in, USB, hands-free Bluetooth calling, leather wrap steering wheel. Loaded up, folks. I mean loaded. Switch off 4x4. We're going to offer this car at a $995 starting down payment. Yup, $995 starting down on this 4x4 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline, guaranteed credit approval with $1,595 starting down, and away we go. Come on down, DasCleveland.com, 2 paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour, your time. I'll see you soon.